Hello, my name is Mihao and I'm going to be taking us through a very quick demonstration video for the System Software 2 assignment. In this assignment, we essentially had to create a multi-threaded client-server socket program that would allow us to transfer data from the client to the server. This transfer would have to be done in a synchronized manner as well as incorporate authorization. So for the demo, the very first thing I'll show you is the transfer being synchronized. And then for the second part, we'll go through the authorization checks. So to start us off, let's connect to the server very first of all, /server, /client. We're connecting from the mcorn user here. We've also created different users. So we created Mary and we've given her the manufacturing group, and we've created Joe and we've given Joe also the distribution group. mcorn has access to both manufacturing and distribution. Okay, so when we run our clients, the very first thing that we're prompted with is for the name of the file that we wish to transfer. As you can see, our server is telling us that we have 3 concurrent client connections, which is great. So let's look at our server. Report test 1, report test 2, report test 3. So let's go ahead and start. So we'll go report test1.txt and we're prompted for the folder. Okay. So report test2.txt and report test3.txt. There we go. And we've been prompted for 3 separate folders now. And these are these 2. And as you can see, we'll tell mcorn whichever folder because he has access to both. We're not going to press enter yet to demonstrate the synchronization. Mary is access to manufacturing, so we'll give her manufacturing, and then Joe is distribution, so we'll give him distribution. So now if we press enter on each of these at the same time, we'll be able to see a synchronized transfer of all these files. So one last time, we can see 1, 2, 3 are in here, and these folders are in fact empty. So let's go ahead and start. And as you can see, we have been able to transfer all of these files into their subsequent folders without any errors using synchronized threads. And now to show us the authorization check very quickly, sorry. We'll try to have Mary transfer some of these into the distribution folder, and likewise we'll have Joe try to transfer these into the manufacturing. So our server is still running, so we can connect with /client. Mary's connected, and we can connect with Joe with /client. Okay, perfect. So enter name of the file. So report test1.txt, and the folder is going to be distribution. And we can see that Mary is not a member of the distribution group, and our server tells us the same. And that file has not been transferred. Distribution is in fact empty. And right here, enter name of the file, so we can use the same file because it never got moved. Report test1.txt, and let's try to move it into the manufacturing folder. Joe is not a part of the manufacturing group, and we can see here Joe is not part of the manufacturing group. He does not have access, and nothing was in fact moved into that folder. Apart from obviously this one, this is from the test before. This is report test one we're trying to move. So yeah, I believe that is everything for this assignment. I have gone through the code and explained it in the report. And yeah, I believe that's everything, and that should be fine. Thank you very much, and take care.